Hi, this is Tom. In this lesson, I will give you some insights between Project Online and Project for the Web. Let's explain the different options between the two. To do so, first we need to explain the three tools that Microsoft has deployed within the Microsoft Office 365 products. Microsoft has three tools that we could use when working in a project management environment. The first tool is Planner. Planner is used for small teams that just need the basic task management, which was built on Office 365 with a Kanban experience. The second tool is Project Online. Project Online was built on SharePoint with a full set of professional tools traditionally for PPM experience. The third tool is Project for the Web, which was created from Project Online with a tested scheduling engine, but moved over to the Power Platform to enhance user experience, fully integrating Microsoft 365. Project for the Web was built on the Power Platform with a modern dynamic experience enhancing Microsoft 365 connectivity. Within the past 2 years, Microsoft has made improvements of growing the capabilities of Project for the Web, to a point to where it supports smaller lightweight projects and traditional project and portfolio management. To better help connect the dots, let's draw it out in a visual format. To help connect the dots, let's follow the blue arrows as we draw it out. With Power BI, providing automated status reports for a project, rolling it up into a portfolio dashboard, giving the user visibility at an executable level. With Power Apps, users have more functionality around projects for the web to capture change requests, risks, issues, lessons learned, ideation, proposals, resource management, etc. Then Power Automate integrates with the Approvals app in Microsoft Teams and enabling notifications for risks, issues, change requests, etc. All three mentioned is delivered inside Microsoft Teams for a central collaboration to be used as a hub. The combination of the Power Platform and Microsoft Teams makes Project for the Web an enterprise solution, giving the user a true platform for PPM. We hope this lesson has been helpful in explaining the differences between Project Online and Project for the Web.